Okay, today we're in that same field that I showed you last night, but that little piece is over there that goes up back and behind there is gone, and the majority of this little piece is gone. We probably won't be much longer here, but then we go over to another place, which will take a little bit longer, so they always do. You think you're getting closer to done, and then something always gets a little bit longer. And I don't know if you can see, but over there ways, see combine swinging around there, heading back this way. I'm still in the 8640, the Brent 1080. Bottom window's filled up, see a little bit of pile on the second window. This grain cart I especially like because it has got the piece on the end of the auger. With the flip of this right here, it'll adjust the flow, or this is your flow. Okay, it's a piece of paper right here. 2, flow. 1, 2, 3, spout. Yep, spout, that's it. Wait, 4, auger swing. Yeah, look at that. Right there. Oh, 4, right there. And then there's your 3-point hitch, throttle. Make some smoke up there? I say so. I got double mirrors on each side, just a lot helpfully. Because you can actually see, right there you can see the edge of the grain cart. And right there you can see back the edge of it. And I'm turned so you can't see anything there. It's articulated steering. And yep, that's about it. I'll get a video on here later. Remember to please comment, rate, subscribe.